In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Twenty CRM using Coolify. So all you need to do first of all is just go and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself in the dashboard. From there, as an example, would like to access projects on the left panel. Of course, if you haven't installed Coolify yet, you'll need to do that first before deploying any applications. If you're using the cloud, you can do that as well. So from there, just go to the projects and click on add. Once you click on add, you will have to give it a name. You can call it, an example, 20 CRM if you want to. You can also open an existing one where you would like to install 20 CRM if you have one already. Projects will help you just organize your application and services. Once you do so inside the projects, you have two options, or you have many options. Inside the projects, you can add a resource, an example, you can choose a service, and then search for 20. You may find it like that or that. Just search for 20 and select the official 20 service. Coolify will automatically prepare the deployment using the recommended configuration. But before deploying, make sure to review the configuration. Depending on your setup, you'll configure items such as domain name, database settings, storage, environment variables, SMTP settings for email. So if you're just testing or testing 20 CRM, the default value are usually enough to get started. So then once you're done, click on deploy, and Coolify will basically run the required Docker images, create the containers, configure networking, and start 20 CRM. The first deployment may take a few minutes, and you can monitor the progress from the deployment log. So once the deployment is finished, you'll find this page, and you can open example deployments or open the generated URL actually, and create your administrator account if prompted. Complete the initial workspace setup example, and after that, your self-hosted 20 CRM is ready to use. You just log in into it, and you should be good. That's how you install 20 CRM with Coolify. I hope you found this helpful. If you do, hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.